Sales teams today are more distributed than ever, split between offices and remote work. Sales manager can't be everywhere at once, making it harder to keep teams motivated, connected, and supported across distances. Meanwhile, most tools focus on tracking numbers, not nurturing people. Without shared rituals like team challenges and personal recognition, motivation fades, and so does performance. Sales reps miss the moment that fuel their drive, and managers struggle to keep engagement alive. That's where Amy comes in, a Slack-integrated AA Agent Motivator powered by Salesforce Agentforce, designed to boost sales team engagement and performance. She celebrates wins, motivates teams, and transforms every sales challenge into a magical moment right where your team works. Let's join the Western sales team at the happiest company, Anisette, Mariam, and Ophelia. Like every week, Ophelia checks her team's pipeline. There are many opportunities in progress. It might be a good time to energize the team with a challenge to ensure we close some of them. Step 1. Ophelia sets the vibe. She opens a user profile and gets inspired. Coachella Festival was last week. Let's go with that. Next, she jumps into Slack and connects with Amy. Time to lunch. Let's create this challenge. Amy is asking for the needed information, and Ophelia can provide it. Ophelia confirms it, and Amy creates the record on Salesforce. After reviewing the challenge, everything is set. Ophelia validates it. Amy can now communicate it to the sales team. Now Amy takes the lead. She creates a channel, adds the participant, and shares the news. The challenge launched right on schedule on the 21st. Amy's already firing up the channel, and Mariam and Anisette are off a strong start, ready to make it happen. Now we're right in the middle of the challenge, so let's check on how our fantastic sales reps are doing. Here is Mariam, and it looks like she just got some great news from a prospect. This one's big. Amy saw it too. She looked into it and figured it was worth it. She even dropped a congrats message in the sales channel. Let's check in on Anisette. She might need a hand. She's reaching out Amy for an update on the challenge progress. She hasn't reached the challenge objective yet, but Amy can assist her in identifying the best opportunity. Here it is. Let's hope Anisette can close one of them before the end of the challenge. On the final day of the week, the challenge wraps up. Ophelia gets a notification. It's time to unveil the results. She eagerly turned to Amy to kick off the process. Amy crunches the numbers, and guess what? Both Marianne and Anisette hit their milestones. Now, Amy's ready to craft the announcement, following Ophelia's lead. Amy's crafted the message. Let's spread this exciting news. The message from Amy hit its mark. Fantastic job, everyone! Let's keep this momentum going.
You've just seen some incredible agentic magic. Now, let's take a closer look behind the scenes to discover how it all comes together. As a quick look at some of Amy's tricks, how she calculates challenge results, how NLP works for descriptions and participants, and how she decides if an opportunity win deserves celebrating. When Ophelia asks Amy to calculate the results, The Agentforce engine retrieves the challenge calls as unstructured data from a text field. Then, it queries the needed data and calculates the numbers to identify the sales rep that reached the target. The content of challenges can then be infinite without any extra work. Creating challenges is now faster and easier for managers. We've removed the complexity to structure data manually by moving information processing to the agent. With custom actions, including flexible like queries, the agent can retrieve users and teams based on name matching. When an opportunity is won, a flow calls the agent to evaluate its worthiness against historical and specific predictive model from Einstein Studio. The agent then decides whether to celebrate, adding an element of unpredictability to the celebration. In this case, it decided not to celebrate. To explore further and uncover more magic, check out the GitHub repository with all the documentation and source code. Thank you for watching.